Alright, let's dive into 20 productivity hacks that will actually change the way you work, starting right now. First up, summarizing long articles. Stop wasting time reading every single word. Use a browser-side AI reader to get the TLW. It condenses massive walls of text into key bullet points in seconds. This is a total game changer for research and staying on top of news. Number 2, automatic meeting notes. We've all been in those back-to-back calls where you can barely remember what was decided. Just pipe your call recordings into an AI note-taker. It not only transcribes the conversation, but also automatically generates action items and summaries. You can finally focus on the conversation instead of frantically typing. Coming in at number 3 is smart email replies. Tired of typing out the same "thanks? I'll look into it" message a dozen times a day? Use an AI assistant to draft polite, context-aware replies with just one click. You can even control the tone, shifting from super formal to friendly and casual, saving you hours each week. Number 4 will save your presentations. Generate slide decks from simple prompts. Forget struggling with layouts and finding the right visuals. Just describe your topic to an AI tool, and it will create a clean, professional-looking presentation with icons, images, and a logical structure, from prompt to polished slides in minutes. At number 6, we have instant captions. Videos with captions get way more engagement, but creating them is a pain. Not anymore. Use an AI tool to auto-caption your short videos. It can even add dynamic animated words and emoji highlights to make your content pop and keep viewers hooked. Number 7 is a lifesaver for your visuals. Fixing blurry photos? Have a low-resolution image you need for a thumbnail or a social post. An AI image upscaler can increase its resolution without that awful pixelated, mushy look. It's like magic for bringing your old or small photos back to life. Next, number 8. Clean cutouts. Removing backgrounds from images used to be a tedious task for designers. Now, you can do it perfectly in seconds. Just upload your photo, and an AI will handle the rest. You can then easily add a new background, a cool glow, or a drop shadow to make your subject stand out. At number 9, we're generating B-roll on demand. Need a specific shot for your video, but don't have time to film it? Just type a description of the scene you need, like a person typing on a laptop in a coffee shop, and an AI B-roll generator will create unique, stock-style video clips that match your script. Number 10 is for anyone who's ever stared at a blank page. Instant script outlines. Whether you're making a video or writing a blog post, a good structure is key. Use an AI to generate a solid 3-act outline, complete with compelling hooks, story beats, and effective call-to-action blocks. It gets you from zero to a full plan in about 60 seconds. Let's move on to number 11. Keyboard superpowers you'll actually use. Stop clicking through menus. On Windows, press Win plus Shift plus S to bring up the snipping tool instantly for screenshots. On a Mac, CMD plus space opens Spotlight, which is so much more than a file search. It's a calculator, a converter, and an app launcher all in one. Number 12 is for anyone who deals with a lot of files. Batch renaming. Organizing your assets can be a nightmare. Instead of renaming IMG_58471 one by one, use a tool to automatically rename a whole batch of files with the date, topic, and sequence number. Zero manual effort. Perfect organization. At 13 we have AI-powered research digests. Reading dense academic papers or long reports can be exhausting. Paste those PDFs into an AI research tool, and it will deliver the core insights in plain English, complete with citations. It's like having a research assistant who does the heavy lifting for you. 14 is for reclaiming your schedule. The calendar brain. Feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list? Drop your entire list of tasks into a smart scheduling app. It will analyze everything and arrange it on your calendar, avoiding conflicts and adding reminders. It turns a chaotic list into an actionable, stress-free plan. Number 15 is a non-negotiable for online security. Better password hygiene. If you're still reusing passwords, please stop. Start using a password manager to create and store strong, unique passwords for every site. And wherever you can, enable passkeys for a more secure, password-free login experience. 16 is all about focus. Faster, cleaner browsing. Most web pages are designed to distract you. When you need to read an article, enable Reader View in your browser to strip away ads and clutter. Combine this with a Focus Timer app, and you'll enter a state of deep, uninterrupted work. 17 is a quick PC speed boost. Is your computer slow to start up? It's probably because too many applications are trying to launch at once. Go into your settings and disable any unneeded startup apps. This frees up RAM and will get you up and running much faster every time you boot up. Number 18 feels like living in the future. The Cloud Clipboard. Ever find a link on your phone and need it on your computer? With a synced clipboard, you just copy text, links, or even images on one device, and you can instantly paste it on another. It's seamless and incredibly useful. At 19, let's talk about cleaning up your data. Messy spreadsheets can bring any project to a halt. Use an AI-powered tool to fix your messy CSV files automatically. It can normalize dates, trim extra spaces, validate email formats, and more, all in one go. And finally, number 20, the formula for a perfect thumbnail. To stop the scroll on YouTube, you need 3 things: high contrast to grab attention, one big keyword to communicate the topic, and a clear focal subject, usually your face with an expressive emotion. A great thumbnail is your video's first impression. Make it count. And that's a wrap on 20 powerful hacks to boost your productivity. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.